Okay, very good morning to 5C. We are going to continue with the articles. So before that, let's recall what we have learned in the last class. Okay, in the last class we have learned that there are two types of articles. One is indefinite articles and another is definite articles. So we have learned last time indefinite articles, that is a and an. Indefinite articles a and we have learned what are the rules to use a and n. We use a and n for all the singular nouns, yes, like a boy, an orange, an elephant, an egg, a girl, a flower, for one singular. Then we also learned that a used for singular noun for the consonant sound. We use a in front of the consonant sound. A dog, a computer, even a unit. When you see the use here, the letter U, we might think that is a vowel, then it has to go as a N. But when we pronounce the word, where we say unit, ya sound, Y sound, that's why we put a unit. Okay. So we have to focus on the pronunciation, not on the letter. So we use a for all the consonant sound which I have listed here. Then we use n for the singular noun which has a vowel sound, okay, which has a, e, a, o, u. So this sound, if it is, then we use n. Okay. For example, look here. An orchid, o sound. An examination. But look this word, an honest. We don't say honest. H is a consonant sound. Letter is H. But when we pronounce the word, it is honest, O sound. That's why we put an honest, an honor, an hour. No, there are so many other words. We also use a before adjective with a consonant sound and an before the adjective. Now look here, adjective, friendly. A friendly girl. F is a consonant sound. An interesting story, I. So in front of the adjectives also we use a and an, that is article. Okay, now let's continue with today's lesson. Today's lesson is definite articles. So in the last class we have done indefinite articles. Now we are going to do definite article, that is the. Now we are going to see where we use the. Okay, the rules to use the. Now first one is we use the after you have talked about it for the first time. We are using the when we are talking for the first time. For example, this is a dog. The dog. Because we have already talked about the dog. The dog is brown. Okay. Then another rule is we use the when we describe person or things in specific or particular. When we are talking about a particular thing or particular person, then we use the. The dog that bite me ran away. So the person is talking about a particular dog which ran away, the one which has bitten him. Okay, the dog which has bitten him ran away. He's not talking about other dog, he is talking about particular dog. So that time we use the. Another is we use the when there is only one such thing. There is no many such thing, only one thing, like moon. There is only one moon, the moon, the earth, the universe. No, so if there is only one such thing, then we say the Jupiter, the Mahabharat, the Kanjur. No, there is no many Kanjurs, so we use the for only one thing. Then we use the before ordinal numbers or direction. Ordinal numbers like first, second, third, fourth, or like direction east, west, northeast, southwest. So we won the prize in the competition. The because in front of the numbers. Okay, ordinal numbers. We use the before of superlatives. Do you remember superlatives? We have learned in class 4. Good, better, best. Okay, the pretty, prettier, prettiest. So that is superlative. So he is the best player. So superlative here is best. Good, better, best. So in front of the superlative we use the. So you have to remember, these are the simple rules that you have to remember for using the definite article the in the sentences. Okay. Now we are going to do the activity here. Now the activity here is, I have given the words in the bracket. So you have to read the passage and choose the correct article and write in the blank. Okay. So you have to choose the correct word and write in the blank. Which is the correct word? Write in the blank.